So Realme GT Neo 6 SE continue the design language of Realme GT series and adopt the titanium mirror design. Unlike its predecessor, the Neo 6 SE bring the industry first nano matte back cover. The combination of matte metal and bright metal mirror not only bring a unique design but also have a good grip. In the design of the lens middle, the phone uses high-grade stainless steel material with RG process to achieve a titanium-like diffuse reflection texture. The phone has a 6.78-inch flexible OLED panel that utilizes BOE S1 luminescent material, achieving industry-leading peak brightness of 6000 nits. So however, it's important to know that this 600 nits peak brightness is likely reserved for HDR content or specific scan use. The phone has a typical maximum brightness of 1600 nits and manual maximum brightness of 1000 nits for everyday use. The screen has a 1.5K resolution and supports a smooth 120 has a refresh rate with 80 LTVO technology, 2160 Hz high frequency PWM diming and 3+1 pulse DC light technology for comfortable viewing experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and has a narrow bezel measuring just 1.36 mm. Realme has also incorporated its new greenfield AI eye protection technology and AI gaming eye protection technology in this phone. So he powered by a new Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset. It's built on the same architecture as the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The phone comes with triple camera setup with 50 megapixel Sony IMX22 sensor with OIS 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor Sony IMX355, 32 megapixel Sony IMX615 camera on front for selfies. So there is 10014MM2 Super 140 level cooling PC plus mid-frame ICI series texture. The same super standard cooling system in the flagship and has a GT mode 5.0 and Geek Performance Panel 2.0. It has a 5500 mAh battery with support for 100 watts super walk fast charging and an in-display fingerprint sensor and a latest Realme UE 5.0 operating system based on Android 14. The price is 8GB plus 2 5GB variant 1799 June.